Hey Princeton, it's Aubrey. Hope you're all having a great week so far. Today for your social media tip, Parker's gonna walk you through how to make sure your Facebook profile is compliant. Let's dig in.
Hey sales, it's Parker. Let's jump right into Facebook. You're gonna log into Facebook and click on your profile. Once you're there, click the About section. You go to Work and Education on the left-hand side. If Princeton is already in there, hit Edit, and if it's not, click Add a Workplace. Fill out the company, your position with your NMLS number, city and state you're based out of, and then you're going to fill out your name with your NMLS, Princeton mortgage with its NMLS number, the Princeton office you are tied to's address, your office number, your cell phone number, and your Princeton email, and then your Princeton website. It should look like this, then hit save. Once that's done, you will go to the contact info on the left side. Here you will add your Princeton website as well as the company's. Once you do that, hit save. That's all you have for Facebook that's needed for compliance.
See, that's not so hard, right? If you have any questions while you're updating your profile, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help. And as a reminder, if you haven't already ordered your personal vlogging kit, click the link in this email, fill out the form, and we'll ship one directly to your house. Can't wait for next week. Bye, guys.